So hello guys, we have already started the Android series tutorial. So now we will do some manipulation in activity main layout. So here we already see that there is already a text view inside the constant layout. Okay. So first we will not study constant layout. We will study simply relative layout first. Relative layout. Uh, so relative layout. So we have to here specify the size of the layout. So size of the layout contains height and width. So layout height, uh, yeah. So layout height and void layout width. Okay. So layout height will have. So there are two parameters. So wrap content or match parent. So as the name indicates, match parent means will have the whole size of the parent, and wrap content means it will have only that much size that it wants to. So relative layout match parent. Okay. So so inside relative layout, so the whole white space is now the relative layout. So then whole white space is now the relative layout. So inside relative layout, we will now text view as we have already seen. Okay, and with suppose wrap content and height is also wrap content. Now let's suppose this text view contain the text uh, hello world. See here also hello world. Okay. Okay. Suppose this hello world should be in the center of the screen. So Android center in parent true. Suppose this hello world should be at the top and middle of the screen. Matlab should be horizontally middle. Okay. So yes, it is at the top. Suppose it should be horizontally middle. Okay. So Android center horizontal true. And suppose it should be at the bottom. So bottom Android parent bottom. So suppose it should align left. So remove that center horizontal. See, it has a line left and it is at the bottom. And if it should be at the right of the screen and it should be at the bottom. So Android layout align parent right. So so that's fine. Okay, so now we will learn more about this. So there is a text view, wrap content, Android text. Suppose there is a hello and Android text size 20 dp. dp indicates density pixels and Android center horizontal to okay. Okay, and each view and yeah. So we have to specify ID also for each element in the view. So Android ID, when we are defining the ID, we have to write at the rate plus ID slash. Okay, and specify the ID of that. ID should be unique for each element. So text view intro. Okay. Now define the next element. There is also the edit text. To text view will have simply the text format. मतलब, uh, simply have the text. We can't input the text here. Edit text means we can edit that text. We can input that. We can here input the value. So uh, wrap content, not wrap content. Uh, Width should be match parent. Yeah, and layout should be wrap content. Okay. So see, both the layouts are collapsing each other. So we will do Android layout below, and we have to specify ID. Uh, so Android ID. We have already defined text view intro. See, now they are not collapsing. We have defined layout below means, as the name indicates, it indicates that edit text should be below to text view. Okay, so let's also define the idea of edit text. So now there is a text, there is the edit text view and edit text and button. Okay, so button, tap content, Android text, suppose submit, Android layout below, uh, at the rate ID, edit text, yeah, and center horizontal. There are many more components you can see here: text view, button, toggle button, checkbox, radio button, progress bar. There are much and much more. Okay, then we will covering up most of them in the another classes, means upcoming classes. Okay, so yeah. Mm, okay. Thanks for watching. In the next class, I will teach you uh, how we will do, how will the button will respond when we click it. Okay, that part I will teach you in the next class.